Hey friends, welcome to the Whale Pulse channel. Here, we explore daily crypto signals and technical analysis together. So if you want to stay one step ahead in the crypto world, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'm going to show you how to register on the Bitunix exchange. I'll walk you through its tools and features and explain why it's a good choice. So stay with us until the end of the video. To create an account on Bitunix, first search bitunix.com on Google. Once the site loads, go to the top right corner and click Sign Up to begin. In this section, enter your email in the first field and choose a password in the second field. Make sure your password has these rules. Between 8 and 32 characters includes at least one number, one uppercase letter, and one special character like $, or exclamation mark. You'll then be asked to complete a CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. After that, click OK. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter that code to complete your registration. And just like that, your Bitunix account is ready. Now let's talk about some of the key features of Bitunix. Very low trading fees, especially in futures, high liquidity, and fast order execution. Supports both spot and futures markets. User-friendly mobile and desktop apps. Leverage up to 125x for professional traders. Secure platform with cold wallet storage and two-factor authentication. Now, let's understand what futures trading is all about. In futures, you can speculate on the price going up or down without owning the asset. And yes, you can use leverage to multiply your exposure and potential profits. Next up is leverage. Leverage lets you trade with more money than you actually have, increasing both risk and reward. For example, with 10x leverage, a 1% move becomes a 10% gain or loss. Then we have spot trading. This is where you buy and sell actual crypto assets. There's no leverage in spot. It's simple and direct. In the Task Center, you'll find tasks with rewards. Just click on a task to see the description and complete it to earn bonuses. It's a fun way to explore the platform while earning. In the next section, I'm going to teach you how to create your own Metamask and Tonkeeper wallets. To create a Metamask wallet, simply search Metamask extension on the internet. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. A page like this will appear. Click on the Browse Extensions button. Then scroll down and choose the browser you're using. For example, Google Chrome. You'll see a page like this one. Click on Add to Chrome, grant permission, and then click Add Extension. The extension will start downloading, so wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, you can open Metamask by clicking the extension icon. Click on it, and you'll see a page like this. Here, you can read the terms of use. Check the box to agree to the terms. This is required to create the wallet. Then click Create a new wallet. In the next step, check the next box and click I agree. Now, in the first field, choose a password. In the second field, repeat that password. Then check the box and click Create a new wallet. Click on Secure my wallet. Now you'll see a screen with your secret recovery phrase. These words are the most important part of your account. Don't lose them. If you lose them, there is no way to recover your account. So write them down on multiple pieces of paper and store them safely. Also, take a photo with your phone or computer and store it in a secure place. After saving your recovery phrase, click Next. Now use the photo you took to enter the correct words in the correct order. Once done, click Done. Now, your wallet has been successfully created. Click Next, and then Done to continue. You will now see your Metamask wallet interface. From here, you can create multiple accounts for different uses. For example, you can create separate accounts for trading or gaming. click on Add Account or Hardware Wallet. Click on Add Account and give your account a name, for example, Trading. Then click Add Account again to finish. Now you'll see the new account created. To switch back to the previous account, click the account icon and select the other one. Clicking Buy and Sell lets you fund your wallet. You can use it to top up your account with crypto. The Swap section lets you exchange one crypto for another. For example, you can convert Ethereum to TON, Shiba, or others supported here. The next section is Bridge. This lets you move assets between networks. For example, move assets from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. It's important to understand network compatibility when bridging assets. Next is the Send section. You use this to send crypto to another wallet. Choose the account you want to send from. Let's say Account 1. Now the recipient needs to give you their wallet address. They can copy it by clicking here in their wallet. But it's very important that both of you are on the same network. If one uses Ethereum mainnet and the other doesn't, the funds will be lost. Let me explain the difference between networks. Each blockchain has its own network like Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, etc. Always check the network before sending to avoid losing funds. The next section is Receive. Here you can share your wallet QR code instead of address. That way, your friend can scan it when sending, which is easier. Now, let's learn how to add different networks to Metamask. Just search for Chainlist on Google. Open the first website that appears. Click on Connect Wallet from the top right corner. Metamask will ask for permission. Click Connect. Now your Metamask is connected to Chainlist. You can now add any network listed here. For example, let's add the BNB chain. Click Add to Metamask, then approve the request. Now the BNB network is added to your Metamask. You can switch networks from this drop-down menu. Now let's move on to the Tonkeeper wallet. Tonkeeper is a wallet similar to Metamask but designed for TON. To install it, search for Tonkeeper extension on Google. Open the first website and click Add to Chrome. Wait for the extension to download. You can pin the extension for easier access. Click on the Tonkeeper icon to open it. Click on Get Started to begin. Click New Wallet to create a new account. Click Continue to move on. Now you'll be shown a secret recovery phrase. Write it down and save it in multiple secure locations. Now enter the words or numbers it asks for to confirm. Click Continue again to proceed. Now enter your password and confirm it. Choose a name for your account and click Continue. Click Continue one more time to finish. Your Tonkeeper wallet is now created. Open it again from the extension list. The interface is very similar to Metamask. The main difference is Tonkeeper only works with TON. It also supports NFTs and DeFi, which we'll explore later. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or something wasn't clear, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you quickly. If you want to learn more about technical analysis, be sure to subscribe. Hit the bell so you're the first to know when we drop new content. And if you want free signals and daily hot coins, join our Telegram, Discord, and follow us on Instagram.